Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll basically show you guys how me as a software engineering student, how do I basically use AI every day to get up to date with all the AI news and everything. So let's get started. So here I am over here in the Claude Code. So I basically use Claude Code every day for a lot of tasks, as you can see, for exam preparation and everything. So I can do a lot of things with it. So right now I want to show you how do I use for the AI. So I'm gonna go over Cowork. So Cowork, it's pretty useful. You can use it for a lot of tasks. So Cowork is basically used for, when you have a particular project and you want it to work within the folders that are present in your computer. So for example, you can use it for data manipulation, to organize files within your computer, or like specific code that is within your computer. So like you can do a lot of things with it, and it's pretty useful. If you want, I can make another video on how to use Cowork, and I've also used this basically to solve one of the assignment that I had on data migration that was on database course. And if you want, just let me know in the comments below if you want me to show you how I did data migration using Cowork. Okay, so that's not the point of this video. So we're here for the scheduled tasks, right? So here there's a lot of things that you can do, but you see over here the scheduled. So you basically have to go into the scheduled, and here I'm on scheduled over here, and you can pretty much go ahead and schedule anything that you want. I have selected the AI news. You can go ahead and make any other news like finance or anything that interests you. So this is what I have. And so what it does is it's gonna give me the trends and everything of what's happening. So every day it's gonna give me at 12:40 p.m. You can select any time that fits you. So here there's a lot of scheduled tasks that you can do. So how do you do this? You basically have to click on this new task button that you have, and the name, you can basically select anything that you want. Since I have this AI news and this is the purpose of this video, so I'll basically go ahead and name it AI news. And the description, you can basically write anything that you want. It doesn't really matter. And this is the main part that you have to, this is like the prompt that you want to give it to the AI, that the particular task that you want. You can modify the prompt accordingly of whatever thing that you wish to do. And here one important thing that I want to mention, like here you can go ahead and prompt it so that it gives you over your email. You can say like give me all the news and make sure to send it over my email. And for that there's a lot of things that you can do. For that you basically have to go over the settings, and in the settings there's an option to connect your Gmail. If you go to go in the settings, and then there's connectors option, in there you can pretty much go ahead in the Gmail and you can connect your Gmail from there. And then instead of giving over the AI, it's gonna give you all the summary over your Gmail, so you can check your Gmail every day for the news. Okay, so without wasting more time, let's get into the prompting. So for the prompt, I'm basically using this whisper flow over here, so I don't have to type the prompt. I'm just gonna say it so that it's gonna do it automatically over here. So I'm just gonna have to press this control windows. Okay, so I'm just gonna speak the prompt. I want to schedule a task such that you give me any news, updates, trends you get on AI, which can help me as a software engineering student to stay up to date with the current trends on AI. It can be on Twitter, Instagram, Google, or any other platform you can think of. So this is what the whisper flow has generated for me. So I just have to speak and it's gonna go ahead and generate it for me. This is basically, I've been using whisper flow for a while for Claude Code because it's really simple. You don't have to type anything. You basically have to search for the whisper flow in Chrome, and you just have to download. That's it. What you have to do, it's that simple. And once you have this prompt over here, you basically go ahead into frequency, and you can select anything that you want. I'm gonna go ahead and do daily, and you can do the timing that you want, and you basically click on save. So instead of save, I'm gonna click on cancel because I've already done that. So once you click on save, you basically get a pop-up like this in your scheduled task, unless you have scheduled it for your email. Okay, so every day you just basically have to go in here, and then you basically click on here, and then it's gonna basically go ahead and generate a full report for you. So this is what you have that you can go ahead and read over it. So today is 29th April, so it has given me every news and everything up to date. So like the model releases, so the OpenAI GPT 5.5 and Grok, you know. So if you have time, you can go ahead and read over it. So I'm gonna scroll slowly through it, so you can basically have a look at it, like how useful and accurate it is. It is really useful, and it is also giving you developer tools and platform, you see over here. And then there's also like the agentic tools and everything, and also the research backgrounds, and open source is catching up fast, and the reality check over here for you. And it's also going to provide you all the sources that it has taken the information from. So if you want, you can go ahead and access a particular source over here if you want to look at it by yourself, like in more depth. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys found this useful, and if there's anything that you guys want me to make videos on, do let me know in the comment section below, and do subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching.